Hey YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best SHEIN promo codes that you can use in 2025. I spent hours searching for SHEIN coupon codes and discount codes that are actually worth using. And I managed to find some absolutely awesome codes that I know you're going to love. So I thought I'd create this tutorial and show you how to go about getting your very own. You can get a $100 SHEIN promo code, and it literally just takes a few minutes. And you can see you need to use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter which phone you have. Then you need to open up the internet browser and go to robotcoupons.com. So spell it like this, guys, robot coupons. This is, of course, a coupon code website. They have lots and lots of different pages on here. You can scroll down and just view a ton at your leisure. I'm just going to go to the search bar at the top to make it easier and search for SHEIN. This is the page you need to navigate your way to, this SHEIN gift cards and coupons page. There's a couple of different coupon codes at the top here. You can get a $100 SHEIN promo code. You can also get 50% off your next SHEIN order. So you can see these coupon codes are limited, guys. And if you click on the code you want, you're going to see you need to unlock your promo code. Obviously, this limits one code per person, so you can't come on Robot Coupons if you want to get a $1,000 SHEIN promo code. You can only get one $100 code. So you need to reveal the full code, so tap on that button there. And this is going to load up, so just give it a few seconds. Okay, now you're going to see this page here that says Code Unlocker. And you just need to follow the instructions on this page. So it says complete 2 of the 3 tasks below to unlock your code. Follow the instructions below each app. It takes 30 seconds and verifies you're not a robot. So pretty self-explanatory. I've got a list of 3 tasks. You can see they're all completely free. And these are things like mobile applications and surveys. You just need to complete 2 of them, following the instructions that it states below each one. So for example, this one here is a survey. It says answer the questions, fill in your personal and valid details and confirm. So this is a free survey where you would have to basically answer some quick questions. And then once it asks for, in this case, your email, make sure you do put in your correct information. And that basically will verify you're not a robot. There's other things like applications, like this one here says download and install this app. So you would basically click on it and it would take you to the App Store, and you'd have to get the app and then just follow the instructions. So once you've done that, it's pretty easy. It does take about 5 minutes. Once you've done that, it will redirect you back to this page, and your SHEIN promo code will be fully revealed, and you can use it, enter it in the app or on the SHEIN website. And it's going to remove, in this case, $100 off your order. So go to Robot Coupons and navigate your way to this SHEIN promo codes page by using the search bar, and go ahead and unlock your code. Make sure you do follow the instructions fully to get your promo codes. And any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.